Assalamu alaikum girls, good morning. I hope you're doing well. I'm fine. Today's day is Tuesday. The date is 24th of March 2020. Our subject is English. The title of our lesson is Phonics Vowel Sound of Y. Now before we start, yesterday we spoke about the two sounds of Y. E and I. The sound of E and I. Excellent. Now let's move on. Vowel sound of Y. In the short words, the letter Y sounds like I. In the long words, the letter Y sounds like E. Short words: fly, dry, cry. Long words: happy, puppy, muddy. Excellent. Now let's move on. Words that rhyme with the word fly. Words that rhyme with the word fly. Cry, sky, dry, try, my, buy. These words rhyme with the word fly. Now, the word fly, how does it sound at the end? Is it I or E sound? Fly. I. Excellent. Now let's move on. Words that rhyme with the word sunny. Words that rhyme with the word sunny. Lucky, handy, silly, puppy, muddy, city, bunny, happy, and hungry. These words rhyme with the word sunny. Now, at the end of the word sunny, what sound can you hear? The letter I or E? Sunny. E. Excellent. Now let's move on. Sentences that have vowel sound of Y. Now, before we start, vowel sound of Y, we have two sounds of the letter Y, E and I. Excellent. Now, number one, let's read it together. Look at my bike. My ends with the sound I. My. Excellent. Today is a sunny day. Sunny ends with the sound of E, the letter E sound. Sunny. Did you cry? Did you cry? Cry. What do you think? It ends with the letter I or E sound. Cry. I. Excellent. Now number 4. The song is silly. The song is silly. Silly. It ends with the sound E. Excellent. She was lucky. Lucky ends with the sound, the letter E. Excellent. I try very hard. Try. Try ends with the letter I. Excellent. Bats can fly. Fly. What do you think? Yes, excellent. The letter I sound. Fly. Thank you, girls. Now I want everyone to go on the chat room and answer the questions and write me a sentence that have the vowel sound of Y. Thank you, girls.